Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy bakery-style biscuits. First, ensure your butter is very cold, even frozen for 10 to 20 minutes, as this is key for flaky biscuits. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, such as 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix these thoroughly before moving to the next step. Now, take your very cold butter and cut it into small pieces, or grate it, then use a pastry cutter or your fingers to work it into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Next, slowly add 3/4 cup of cold milk, stirring with a fork until the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overmix. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it about 5 to 7 times to bring it together. After kneading, gently flatten the dough with your hands to a thickness of about 3/4 of an inch. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting, to cut out your biscuits. Place these on an ungreased baking sheet, ensuring they are about 1 inch apart. Bake them in your preheated 425 degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and have risen nicely. Once baked, remove your golden biscuits from the oven and serve them warm. They are absolutely delicious with a pat of butter, some sweet jam, or even a savory gravy. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days to maintain their freshness. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.